Welcome to Trans and Money community. My name is Tony, and today's video we are going to analyze the price of Bitcoin, and I'm sharing my positions in leverage spot markets and my new strategy that I was explaining you yesterday in the Spanish video. Then let's go for the price, because we have bullish news, or at least we have a strong rally. Some people is saying that is because the debt ceiling of US. I don't know, because everyone knows that US is not gonna go to bankruptcy if they can still printing money, right? So let's go for inflation. And so we have a beautiful pump that in the Spanish video we commented yesterday night, that if we break up this resistance, the price of Bitcoin can go bullish, and we have to be very pay a lot of attention, because it's not just US. We have China, that CG, the CEO of Binance, he is saying that what's going on right now in China is what happened last bull run. And what is that? That the CCTV, that is the Chinese national TV, just start to make content talking about crypto. And that's super bullish. And not just that, we have Hong Kong that now is open to licensing exchanges to buy and sell the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So pay a lot of attention, because we know that crypto can go crazy, can go wild very fast. Okay, so let's go for the price. Then we have in short term that the price of Bitcoin beautifully follow all our resistance. So we had in this one pushing, and then went through to the next one, and then now we're going for the 30,000, right? Sorry, 28,800, 28,500. And yes, now we are super oversold, super overbought, sorry. And but for me, we have to pay a lot of attention, because if we have consolidation, and also I want to comment about the trade from yesterday, and I closed my long position with profits. I will show you. And for me, if the price of Bitcoin, sorry, can manage to break this level, 28,500, that can be the first step to go for the bull run. And these two, what now are supports, levels of supports, I think they are quite important, but this one is crucial. And why I'm saying that? Because look, the last time we've been there was when the Bitcoin price was crashing. And I think was this point. And I think, let's go to this point. And I think if we manage to break this resistance right now, that can be the sign. Not just breaking and then retesting and push from there, can be the level where the bull run of crypto start. And it seems that it's difficult now, because we were talking, everyone was talking about the 25, and maybe we go back to get some liquidity, but I think it's very close to be ready. And just the government of the US with the debt ceiling, maybe that's the sign that everything is set up for a bull run for crypto. So this level, if we manage to break up this level and then support here, I think probably we're gonna go sideways, taking energy. I hope we don't go to take more liquidity, and then we are set up for go for the next one. And here I think, as I say, this level, about this level, 31,000, some people is saying 31,300, around this level, if we can make that a support, ready for the bull run. If that's not the case, and the price of Bitcoin, because also we have this triangle, that this triangle will bring us to about, if we break up soon, about the 33,300. So I think everything is set up for a big push. And yeah, it's so beautiful. So I think this is the next one, breaking the 28,500 and going for the 29,500. And if we can manage that, be ready, because can be the bull run. Apart of that, okay, let's go for the worst scenario now, that because we went very high very fast, now we can have a big correction, right? That will be another narrative. So if we go in, if we go in for the worst scenario, in case some crazy news happen, that I think is the probabilities are low, but for me still in a scenario, right? So what happened? The scenario for me now will be to go back to the, look at this level. The ideal will be to retest one of these supports, and I think the logical one will be this one, 27,500. With this can be also acceptable, and even this one at 26, 27. So I think that's the range where the price should bounce and try to fight again the resistance, because here we're gonna find a lot of resistance. We know by history that this level is super strong. This level from here, the green box, the yellow box that we drew for a long time ago, right? But for me it's okay. If we manage that, will be fantastic. And the worst case will be that if we have a strong rejection and we're going back to these levels, right? Again to the 25. But this spike and this one is very bullish. So that's more or less my thoughts. And you know, I'm trying to be as open as possible, because now we are in a region of overbought, so we can go for a little bit to find a little bit of liquidity to have a correction. In BitGet, no, it was in KuCoin. In KuCoin, you know that I had a position for some weeks, and finally I went out with $32 in profit. And yeah, and so that's good. And the other thing is, like, I had my new strategy, right? And yesterday in the Spanish video, I had a position in spot, correct? I sold $1,000 something. In fact, what I did is, like, I sold 0.04 at 20. Let's see, this is Ethereum. This is to buy Ethereum to buy Ethereum with Bitcoin. And oh wow, was very, what happened? Did I buy finally? 6682. So in Binance, trigger my position. Whoa, this is amazing. I thought okay. So in Binance triggered my position, but not in KuCoin. 6669. Okay, so just a second, sorry, because this I was very excited, and why it didn't trigger? 6066. This is the peak, was super close. Here you can see the point. I'm gonna go for the low, and it was 66805, but was so fast that couldn't sell it. What the fuck? Okay, so was pretty close. No, pretty close. No, it should trigger, but we didn't have enough time to trigger the position. It seems. Buy Ethereum with Bitcoin. Okay, I will try again and let's see if I'm lucky to go. But now it's gonna be very difficult to go back to this support again, I think. Okay, anyway, because my strategy was to buy and sell Ethereum with Bitcoins, and I had this position, but seems didn't trigger. I'm a little bit angry now, but okay, so nothing happened. Can we retest it again? I don't think so. I think it have to be higher. Well, tomorrow I will tell you what I did with Ethereum, because maybe if we have a small correction, I'm gonna enter, because it was super close. Maybe I have to go to 67 now. 67. Well, I will check that position. For the other thing, that I had this new strategy where I'm gonna explain a little bit, because I explained it in the Spanish video, but maybe I should explain here also in the English one. So basically my strategy is, let's say I have in average 26,650 USDT for Bitcoin. In fact, I have much less, but just to have a reference. So if the price of Bitcoin is going up, I'm planning to sell a little bit just for the profits I'm making. So for example, if it's going up 1%, I earn, or the value in USDT will increase $533. So I could sell 0.019 BTCs. And then if the price of Bitcoin has a correction, for example, I can sell it here and take some profits, right? Or waiting, that's 2%, 3%, etc., right? And this will be the profits. And if the price of Bitcoin is going higher, like it happens, because now we are like this, 6% respect this point. So it's fantastic, because, okay, yeah, I lost a little bit of Bitcoin, but now I can, I have much more profits, P&L. So I could even, sorry, here, I could even sell a little bit of Bitcoin if I think we're gonna have a correction. That I think is highly probable, very strong or not, I will, that nobody knows. But oh, what happened? I'm a little bit excited, but also tired, because I just woke up. Not yet. So I have to polish this new strategy, but probably I'm gonna sell a little bit more Bitcoins. I have to make the calculation, the difference between this one and probably this one. And if the price is gonna touch again like to 28, maybe I'm gonna try this one, 28,586. I will sell a little bit more Bitcoins. The difference that is gonna be maybe $1,500. And I will have two positions, or I can do an average, waiting for the price to make a correction. The correction I think could be, probably, I think it's gonna be this one, 27,500. And I have to see if in average I can, 27,500, if I can sell a little bit, because rebuy a little bit of Bitcoins. I have to make the calculations, or just wait to see if the price of Bitcoin is going even lower. Okay, so maybe to this point, 27, right? Or maybe even lower. If it's not doing that, I'm happy with that, because if the price is keeping going up, so my Bitcoins are gonna keep growing, right? In BTs, in USDT value. So that's a little bit my strategy. Yeah, if you want to make a short or long or whatever, is I think also an option to make a small short here, but up to 3%, that will be 30% on leverage. So, and yeah, you can do trading in BitGet or KuCoin, and you have the description down below. You have links, and you can open an account, and also Bybit. But Bybit is with KYC. BitGet I like quite a lot, and KuCoin is one of the top exchanges right now. I mean, it's quite secure, both of them, and they don't require KYC if you have crypto. And also you have down below the links for the Telegram group and Discord group. So yeah, congratulations to everyone. Let's see how evolve the day. I'm gonna check if I'm gonna sell a little bit of Bitcoins, because I think it's highly probable that we're gonna have a rejection. And yeah, so enjoy the crypto day. Thank you very much. Have a good trades, and see you in the next video.